my backup car. Nova obviously didn't get done. I know a lot of people have been asking about it, but as you guys know, parts are scarce these days. You know, it's just hard to get anything done, so we're just kind of taking it easy. We got a lot of big plans for it. But anyways, back to El Toro. Red and I are back as a duo. You know, we're completely new to this whole Coyote thing. We're bringing 2 sockets, one for the wheels and one for the spark plugs. And the spark plug one's just to keep the car from rolling away, because we don't know what we're doing here. But we do know how to hit the up arrow, so we're gonna try and see if we can get it in the 7s. It went 830 at Christmas Tree Race, if you remember. It was doing big wheelies, but we switched some front shocks over this week. Had a little other trickery up our sleeves, so we'll see if we can get a Coyote Ford into the 7s without actually knowing anything about a Coyote Ford.
So this sick week we are running the Outlaw 235 class, which is a 1/4 mile class instead of the 1/8 mile class, and it is a 850 limited class, so I can't run any faster than 850. So we will do a little experimenting with the car. I got to get it turned down to run 850s, but I feel like it should be a good week overall.
Dougie Fresh Cook again for the 3rd, 4th, 9th year in a row. I don't know what it is. We're driving El Toro. The gray car's not done. My new race week car's not done, so we're going to drive El Toro this week. El Toro has been 830s. A little bit of wheelie issues, so what we've done is we put some new suspension parts on it from Mark Mincer. Mark John has been a part of my program and a part of these guys' program forever. So we're hoping to keep the front end down and see if we can get El Toro to go 7s. Our index is an 850, but I don't really think anybody in this area is excited about slowing their car down. So we're just gonna try to go faster and faster and faster. Probably not gonna win, but we're just gonna try to see if we can get El Toro to go 7s. That's the game plan.
First pass of the first sick week ever. 844, we're trying to go 850, so not a bad guess, but we got to go up and make another pass. We have to be 850 or slower. You can't go faster, so I guess we'll head up. Oh, I can believe that. I can believe that. Yeah.
faster than we should have, so we got to figure out how to slow it down just another couple hundreds. We should have a good run.
Went 8:54 with a 5, I think. So for a non-bracket racer, we're just gonna call that a day and head to the next track because, you know, survival's as much as racing in this whole deal. So it might be a step behind some of the guys, but what are you gonna do?
Driver error on that one. I pulled from first to third gear, so it really lugged the car down. So I think we got to make one more hit, see if we can get it in the 50s somewhere. I ran at 8:62, but this class is gonna be tied at an 8:50, so I need to get a little bit better time.
went out there, made a third pass, and the car picked up almost everything that I tried to take back out of it. I had put a little bit of two-step back in it, and it picked up all the 60 foot and it went fast. It was in the other lane, so I don't know if that lane was just faster or not, but went to go up, make a fourth pass, and it sounds like there's a kind of a nasty wreck on the other end, so we just decided to call it, and we'll turn in our 862. It could be a little while.